For more than 2 months, I've been treating my SaaS like a toy. No pressure, no real risk. And that ended this week. I went all in. It started with investing 3.29 euros for a backend Hetzner server. I'll explain you exactly why and what bring me here and why I decided to buy the backend server. So if you can see, like, two CPUs, 4 gigabytes RAM, and 40 gigabytes disk local space, it's nothing much, but the price is really good. So let's go for the first reason and why I decided. First reason is simply here. I didn't have on my previous extension version, I didn't have any backend, and all my backend was hosted inside the extension. So everyone could actually, when uh, when executing the scans analysis, everyone could go for the source code, uh, find everything, stole the my premium prompts that I'm selling, and who would buy it if your prompts are exposed like this? So everyone could steal it. Basically, now when user call this endpoint, he can just see this inside the network, nothing else. All my prompts are hidden on the backend, and no one can see it. Second thing is my payment. My payment provider was only Patreon. And when someone subscribed here, user needs to have a Patreon account in order to subscribe to my extension and to have a pro plan. So I since my application was serverless, I didn't have any server. I need to go to have this pipe dream function that's hosted, and this pipe dream was handling my payments. Now simply I shift that, just having this webhook Patreon. uh, I just named it Patreon, but it will not be Patreon. It will be like, since I'm moving also from the Patreon to the my Stripe or Lemon Squeeze, one of those, who I get approved. I don't know. Here's the conversation. Thank you for your patience. Looking forward from you. They are asking me to have just pricing plans, what I defined, and I need to deploy to my landing page here pricing. And when I have it, I will answer them with my direct link with it, and probably I will get approved. Then I will have more control of my payments, and I can easily control all the user, give them the tokens, and give them everything. So no third party app triggers will controlling the payments anymore. Third, but not less important, is my landing page. And in order to have a good landing page, you need to show your user the value. When someone came here, I didn't have anything to show, more or less, only the link for to the my extension. But now, when people click here, see in the action, I can have some call to action button that can actually open like entire new window here, or new page here, or whatever. I will figure out the idea, but can see my extension, how it works directly by calling my endpoints here, competitor analysis, or any kind of analysis that I want to host on my backend. Having a serverless backend on my just extension hosted, I couldn't have anything here, and I couldn't control it, the users. Also, I can add a sign up here button. I can add payments here, so user can pay directly through here. I have more control with having a backend hosted than I previously have, and I'm really, guys, excited to show you what I achieved with my extension, and we can discuss it. I will discuss it later. But if you see all my previous video, like the CTR 0.5, 0.8, it's kind of bad. But if you see the new ones, 2.3, this one is my first video about the SaaS story, and I was actually using the extension. This one reach 2.3. Like all of my last videos uh, got slightly better CTR. For me, like I was reading on the Reddit, 2% to 3% CTR is kind of normal, but for me, all other videos have abnormal like CTR, like low, really low. So I will show you how my extension now works. So how my extension is working. Let's say you have a video ready. Okay, you copy your title. So you copy your title, paste here, trigger the search, open the extension, select your actual thumbnail here, title here, start. And the thumbnail is here. You go to the scan. Now you copy the content and description and paste it here. And let the AI do the job. So analyzing against the competitors. And after we collect all those data, we show the users what could be improved inside the thumbnail and what could be better. So second place, who is the winner? The winner is this one. This one. This one is winner. And let's see the suggestion. Apply heavy block, drop shadow, increase font size, add localized emergency glow. Let me see the title. Title is already strong enough. And also, this feature improve my thumbnail is in the testing phase, and I'm not sure if it will be pushed to the production, but this is the way how it works and how it's currently working. But with a couple of tunes, this is a bit changed. The button is highlighted and the text is kind of better, but this is in the testing phase. What I wanted to tell with a couple of fine tunes and a couple of retests and a couple of adjustments, you can adjust your thumbnail to win those competitors here. So this is probably similar niche, and if you win these competitors, you maybe have a more chance to win other clicks inside the view. And that was the basic idea. And I will show you my thumbnail progress for this video. So I started with this one, and then this one, then this one, then this one, and this is my final thumbnail. So probably the first one looks really clean and nice, but will someone click if you zoom out? And that probably you will decide for this one, because this one, it's not readable, this number, and this one probably will win the clicks over this one. So this is what I achieved with the extension. So we will see in the next video how much my CTR is grown. And yeah, so current state, I'm at 90% of finishing this job. Probably in next couple of days, I will push this final version to the store and deploy my backend finally. And if you want to stay on my journey, if you want to join the journey, guys, please subscribe. And of course, do some likes and comments, because those really pumps me up and give me like positive feedback to keep this going. So yeah, thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.